children, welcome you all to our today's EVS class. In our previous class, we started our third chapter, Water, the Elixir of Life. Dear children, did you study the topics well? Are you ready for our today's class? In our last class, I gave you an activity. Did you remember? Then say, what is the activity? Yes, write any 5 uses of water. How many of you did the activity? Okay, very good. My dear little ones, so let's see the uses of water. Water is used for drinking. For cooking food, we use water. For bathing, we need water. Water is used for washing clothes. Water is used for cleaning the floor. For washing utensils, we use water. For washing vehicles, we need water. Water is used for farming. So these are some of the uses of water. Dear children, did you understand? Like we, the human beings, animals and birds need water for drinking. And plants also need water for their growth. Water is very precious. So we do not waste even a single drop of water. Dear children, can we live without water? No, right? Because water is one of the basic needs of our life. Not only we, all the living organisms in nature depend on water for their existence. So now we know that water is very essential to save our life on earth. In our state, Kerala, there are 44 rivers, numerous streams, canals, wetlands, lakes, and so on. In sometimes we experience severe water scarcity. We don't get sufficient water for drinking and to meet our various needs. Dear children, do you know in which season we experience water scarcity? Yes, very good. In summer season. In summer season, most of our water bodies will dry up so that we do not get sufficient water, and this leads to water scarcity. If water scarcity occurs, it will affect all the living organisms in our earth. So, we have to save even a single drop of water. So, let's discuss about the situations where water is being wasted. Leakage in pipes, overflowing of water tanks, leakage in water taps, leaving the shower open for a long time in bathroom, not turning off the tap while brushing teeth, washing vehicles with fresh water. So these are some of the situations where our precious water is being wasted. Okay, my dears, did you understand? So, from our today's topic, we can conclude that water is precious and it is the boon of nature. That means water is very beneficial for all living organisms in the nature. So, we must avoid situations of wasting water, and we must realize that nothing can replace water. Okay, my dear children, did you understand? Okay, I am going to give you an activity. It is given in your textbook of page number 40. Some statements are given in your textbook. In the given statements, some are right and some are wrong. You have to read the statements and put a tick mark for right statements and put cross mark for wrong statements. Let's see the first one. I do not leave the tap open while brushing teeth. Dear children, is the statement right or wrong? Yes, this is a right statement. So, we have to put a tick mark here. Like this, you have to do the activity. Okay? My dear little ones, it's time to finish our today's session. Today, we discussed about the uses of water and the situations where water is being wasted. Okay, my dear children, see you in the next class. Thank you.